Okay, so because a few people are asking me about how to convert the Super Sport XL from Riru, Big Toys, Green Country or YSA-021 car, I've gone to 48 volts on a 650 watt brushless multi controller. You'll have to apologise for the wiring, it's still all a constant work in progress. So 4 SLA batteries all in series, all running 12 volts 7 amp hour. That gives 48 volts in total, and that's the power for it. We then have a 12 volt converter that runs off a relay and a 12 volt fuse box. When doing the conversion, you'll need to follow the order in which your brushless controller tells you to go, but match up red to red, black to black, purple to purple, yellow to yellow and green to green on that block, probably your first block, and plug in the hall sensor. Okay, that will be your first step. Next, you'll need to plug in your throttle pedal, which is this one. I have wired in a potentiometer on mine to limit the speed for the children on the signal wire, so I can turn that up and down and that will limit the speed. And then have a 40 amp resettable breaker fuse. Okay, the next thing you'll need to do is run 2 wires. This is for the reverse gear. So when you run those, run down this channel just here. I've just broken my light. And down that channel just there, and underneath you'll see 2 hatches. They'll run you to your forward and reverse shifter switch. If you plug the black into the middle pin and your coloured wire into the front pin, that will give you reverse. If you selected the wrong pin, it will do nothing. So at the moment with this conversion, the car is constantly in forward and the switch just flips it back into reverse. Now for the electronic door lock, which wire is that? The electric door lock is this one. I have wired it into the what do you call it? It's split off, goes under this blue wire here and goes into the ignition key, so it will work as standard. Okay, then there is one small red wire that comes out of this loom here that you still need to connect up, but that needs to be connected to your 12 volt side. That will power the stereo, the brake lights and all the lights as normal for normal control. So as you can see, let me check I've reconnected back up because I was just charging it. Yep, if I flip the switch to on, you get the stereo back working again. The only thing you're missing is on the stereo, the battery will always say low at the moment. You lose your high speed, low speed shifter, hence why I've put in a potentiometer. All lights still work. I have wired in tail lights on mine, and the brake lights still work as well. I'm back under it, check to see if I've missed anything else out. There with me. Throttle wire, right. Go to learning wires. That's connected up. That's connected up. That one, that's reverse. Electric door lock. No, that's not used anymore. I don't use low level brake line. That's it. Oh, and I put in a universal earthing point. I have a lot more wires because I have underbody LEDs running on the car at the moment as well, and I really need to tidy this wiring up. If you have any questions, let me know.